Right, just want to share this new little gadget I've made. Now, this here, this little box with a little tile in it. You can see my little kittens running around. Right, anyway, this tile is where I've got my little circuitry, and it's got a sensor, my what I call the force meter, as shown in other videos, but I've repurposed it and put it into this. Now, just to show you what it does, I've got a plastic ball, this little toy ball, and I'm going to try and aim it for the tile. Now hopefully you'll catch this. Now, the eagle-eyed amongst you will have seen this little fountain. So the tile is acting like a switch, it's sensing movement or sensing certain things in front of it, and it's triggering a water pump, and then yeah, got a little fountain, so it's got some stones and things in it. So just go a bit closer so I don't miss my aim. I'm going to try with a little jiggly ball. And see, it does the same thing. Let's do it again. Fountain works. Fountain works. Ball, this ball, this ball, this ball.